Let's talk. Yep, let's talk. And let's talk fruits. Today I want to show you star fruit. This is a star fruit. My son always used to ask me, why you don't bring me star fruit? But I used to explain only when the fruit is in season. And fruits are better when eaten in the season that they're meant to bear. Anyway, this is star fruit and you only find it in the summertime. And to eat this fruit, you see this fruit, don't be scared of it. It's pretty good. It's a little tart, but that's what it looks like. You can eat the skin too. Very good fruit. Texture is good. A little tart, but it's good. Not as tart as kiwi. Remember I was talking about my other fruits that I really like? This is a lychee. Remember the texture? So I had to get you the other fruit so you can remember. This is the spider one. It's a little prickly. This one's a little rough. And when it give way, you know, means soft to the touch, it's good to eat. So the texture on this one. Same texture on this one. This one more like a size of a plum. It's more like a guinea. Same type of family. Actually, these are from the berry family. You know, it's very good. I should eat you. I like to eat fruits for my dinner. Let's see what I'm gonna have too. Mango. This mango is giving way a little. Smells so good. This is how you know when mangoes are really good to buy. You go in the store and you pick it up. Sometimes they don't got no smell because they pick them too early. But of course, if they import them here, so you're really not getting a really ripe mango like when you get it from the actual tree. But with a mango like this, when you're gonna pick it, smell it. You get a good aroma from that mango. That mango is gonna be delicious. Buy that mango that smell good. The one that wanna smell so right, you're gonna have to put those in your smoothie because they're really not doing much. But when you eat the mangoes that are in season, like around now, they're very good for you because that's when fruits are in season. They actually do what they're supposed to do for the body. But when you eat the fruit that is not meant for the season, you know that fruit has been generically altered to get to that season. It's not natural. You know what is a GMO? So it is important to know what fruit is good for what season. I think they have a calendar online. If I'm not mistaken, I was looking at it earlier. The calendar talks about eating seasonal. And it's very good because when you eat your vegetables within certain season and you eat your fruit within certain season, you get more benefits from the fruits and the vegetables. You can be eating all this vegetable, talk about, oh, I want to lose weight. Sometimes you're eating it out of season, it's not really doing anything for you. So think about that too when you're talking about fruits. So all these exotic type of fruits that I'm getting now, they're in season. That's why I'm so, excited about talking about these type of fruits. Anyway, I hope your day is going well, as mine is, because, my belly gonna be full with the stuff I got here. That's right. I'm gonna eat and enjoy your dinner too as well. Whatever it may be, just give the Father thanks for whatever He provide. That's right. Even if it's out of season and that's what you have to eat, you give it thanks. Don't overeat. Take your time. Peace out.